For thumb extension, your setup will be seated. We're gonna use Austin's right hand in this example. You're gonna have your hand in this kind of neutral supination, pronation position. The attempted motion here is going to be what he's doing right now, pushing not just your thumb, but kind of this metacarpal part of your thumb up towards the ceiling. What he's gonna do though is he's gonna attempt to be in this mid-range position. He's gonna take his uninvolved hand and use his other thumb to block across this middle bone of his thumb and also the metacarpal here with the pad of his thumb. Then he's gonna attempt to move in that direction that we were just showing, up towards the ceiling here. He's gonna turn that so you can kind of see it from the side there. He's trying to move this way with this bone and with this metacarpal bone. And as he's resisting that with this thumb, you should be able to feel the engagement running up through the top of your forearm here, maybe across the back on this side as well. Common compensations are going to be not pushing with both parts of that thumb, just pushing with the phalanx, this middle bone here, or just pushing with the metacarpal and not trying to do both of those things at the same time. Also, you could make a mistake of not properly blocking, so you end up moving into the position, which we want to make sure we're secured in that mid-range position. And if you go so hard that your hand starts to move, you're pushing a little bit too much. We need to focus and localize that attention towards what we're doing here with the thumb. So one more time, he's gonna take this off and show you the attempted motion, because this is kind of a tricky one. All of these things moving together. Now he's gonna block it with that uninvolved thumb and push into himself, contact on both bones, trying to move both of those up towards the ceiling.